This is the state of my kitchen right now before I started cleaning everything. I had gone to the grocery store and obviously didn't put away all the food that I had bought, and then I got ketchup all over that shirt and I was really disappointed about it. I feel like as a mom, or maybe just me in general, I always have stains on my clothing. Everything is stained and it's so frustrating. Even if I try to get it out, I end up like washing it and then still didn't come out, and it's super disappointing. Anyway, if you're new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome anyway. My name is Laura and I am a mom of one, and today I have for you a very tired and exhausted mama just trying to get all the things done that I need to. It had been a really rough week and I'm just trying to get everything done. My kitchen has been a complete mess. And every night this week, we were just really busy with activities, hanging out with family, all of that. And so I was finally like, you know what? We're going to get this done. This kitchen is absolutely disgusting. And I was planning on just like putting things away, but I ended up doing a little bit of a deeper clean. As you can see right here, there were so many crumbs on this counter. Yuck. So I'm just getting that nice and clean, and I'm gonna wipe down as much as I can and just get as much done as I can pretty much just get done, because I am exhausted at this point. It was, I think, like 9:30 or 9:45 at night. My daughter was in bed and I had come down to just this huge mess, and so I'm just getting, like I said, everything put away for the most part in its place, and just feeling hopefully a little bit better about my kitchen once I'm done with this. Now that I've got the one side of my kitchen done, I'm going to move on to the other side, which is dishes. Sometimes I'm really good about doing these like around dinner time once we're done eating, and other times I just want to hang out with my daughter and play with her or do an activity with her. It just kind of depends. And sometimes how late we get home and eat. Sometimes she just has to go right up to bed. Does anyone else feel like the dishes are just such like a daunting task? I don't know what's worse, laundry or dishes, because I feel like both of them never end. Like there's always laundry, there's always dishes that need to be done. And I'm the type of person, I try to get them done. Like I want a clean, fresh sink from when I get up in the morning, and I try to get all of the dishes done the night before if possible, just because I feel so much better when I wake up and I see either very little dishes in the sink or not a whole lot. I said clean sink, but I don't clean my sink probably as often as I should. Another space that seems to get dirty pretty much every day is my kitchen table. And so I did a little bit of organizing and cleaning that off. And then my daughter made the cutest little heart card for one of her friends at school. It was her birthday, and she was going to take it in the other day, and it came like unglued. So that was me just gluing it back together. And my table just collects papers and things, just like the front room is just always catching everything. And so I'm trying to organize a little bit of it. And then I try to go through my daughter's book bag. I should really do this when she's awake, but I just always forget. And so I go through and look and see if there's anything she's colored, any pictures, any notes or papers from her teacher that have come home that I need to look at. And I'm probably one of the meanest moms, but I throw away a lot of her pictures and I feel really bad about it, but I just do not have the space. And now I'm going through her lunchbox, seeing what she ate, putting the pears back that she didn't eat because I'm going to go ahead and pack her lunch. I try really hard to get things that she likes, but it's just so hard and things are so expensive. And right now, I don't pay for like her to have lunch every day. I don't know if it's just pre-K. I mean, I'm paying tuition to go there, but I, like I said, don't pay for like each lunch every day, but she sees other kids pack and she wants to pack. And so I try to pack her lunch when I can. I think we do it like 2 or 3 times a week. So I just put some ham and some carrots and then usually some snacks like peanut butter crackers, a juice, and she loves to eat candy. So I do pack a couple pieces, even though I know I probably shouldn't. And that's probably the first thing that she eats, but there everything is. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you've been sticking around, thank you so much. I appreciate you. And this is pretty much everything when it's done. I did find a few more dishes that I will do tomorrow, and I didn't clean the dish strainer, but we'll work on that another day. And then I did also show, so after I was done with this, even though it was 10 o'clock at night, I hadn't eaten dinner. And so I just made a really simple tortilla with cheese. I absolutely love cheese, even though it's so bad for you. But I just put that in the microwave, heated it up, and then ate it with some, they're like pea chips or something like that. And so I just ended my night like that and then went up to bed. So I hope you guys, like I said, enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.